Hey there, this is TR and this tutorial is about how we can record calls on Samsung devices. So, to record calls, go to your dialer app, and here you will see 3-dot option. Tap on that. Here you will see so many options. You have to select settings. You will see recording calls option on number 3. Tap on that. Now tap on auto recording, then turn on auto recording. Accept terms and conditions. Here you will see 3 options. Select as per your preferences. When you want to see your recorded calls, select recorded calls option to see your recordings. Like and subscribe for more such videos, and I will catch you in the next one.